Yes,
and if you're headed to the airport in the morning.
Well, a little stormy tomorrow morning, yeah. And so let me just start with this and let's head right to it. And right now it's all quiet out there, but here's the way the radar is going to look. This is midnight. So we're quiet until, a couple of hours before sunrise. Let's go to 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. There we are. We have some thunderstorms that'll develop. That's 5, there's 6, there's 7, there's 8. By 9 o'clock, I mean, we're all clear here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Some thunderstorms in far east Texas by 9 o'clock in the morning. But this is a quick couple of hour shot of some thunderstorms that could produce the hail and also the wind that we keep talking about. So it's the quarter, maybe up to golf ball size hail tomorrow morning. 60+ mile-an-hour winds, a very, very low tornado threat. It's not 0, but it is low. 9 o'clock in the morning, that moves out. Maybe a couple sprinkles. There's noon. A couple spotty showers throughout the day tomorrow. So my rain coverage late tonight, early tomorrow morning for the morning rush is like 40%. That means 60% of us don't see anything. And then after that, the rest of the day, the rain coverage is about 20%, okay? Follow me on that. Then as we head through tomorrow night, not much happening, all fairly quiet. It's after midnight. My time of concern has been midnight on Thursday, so late tomorrow night, midnight tomorrow night, until 6 a.m. on Thursday. I'm tempted to shift it back to a little bit later. Instead of midnight, maybe it's 2 o'clock in the morning, okay? The models are trending a little slower with this late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning activity. It's all quiet at midnight, but by about 2 o'clock in the morning, some thunderstorms are developing near the Dallas-Fort Worth area off to the northwest. There we are, thunderstorms at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning in parts of the Metroplex. 6 o'clock in the morning, we'll still have some thunderstorms around, and that time frame that I just gave you, the severe weather threat, it's very similar. Now, it's an enhanced risk during the time frame late tomorrow night, early Thursday morning, but it's still the same risk. It's that quarter, maybe up to golf ball size hail. It's that 60-mile-an-hour wind threat and also a low tornado threat. 6 in the morning on Thursday, those are your thunderstorms. There's 9 in the morning. Then as we head through the rest of the day on Thursday, it's a lot like tomorrow. We'll have rain around in the morning, then it's just some spotty stuff. So 40% coverage early, late tomorrow night, early on Thursday. And then the rest of the day on Thursday, 10, 11 o'clock through the afternoon, it's just 20% coverage. And then we reload and get ready for Friday. Here we go. Check this out. And again, my timing for severe weather and the timing of problematic weather is 6 a.m. Friday until about noon on Friday. I may shift this time a little bit as well because, of course, these systems speed up and slow down. They do that all the time. There's 7 in the morning on Friday. We'll have some thunderstorms through noon, and that severe weather threat on Friday, 6 a.m. to noon. Once again, it's the hail, it's the wind, it's also that low tornado threat. Then as we head through Friday afternoon, some scattered showers, and then by Friday night, we'll have more rain around, especially after midnight Friday night, toward sunrise on Saturday. Here's Saturday morning, and then by Saturday afternoon, we're starting to dry out. We keep the clouds around all day on Saturday with a couple of spotty showers, and again, a severe weather threat late Friday night and early on Saturday morning. It's the same deal. It's the wind, it's the hail, it's also the low tornado threat. How much rain will we pick up? Quite a bit. Couple of inches in Dallas-Fort Worth, lower amounts, but still beneficial rain west of Fort Worth. And look at this, some 3 to 5 inch totals, with the bulk of that happening as we head through Thursday, Friday, and also on Saturday. So my forecast in detail for tonight. Tonight we drop down to 67. Thunderstorms develop really late tonight. Some of those could be severe. A windy, warm night. 67's the low tonight. Tomorrow we hit 84. Pretty cloudy day. Isolated storms early in the morning, then just spotty rain the rest of the day, breezy and warm. So 84 tomorrow. We keep those WFA weather alert days in play on Thursday and Friday. Do we issue one for Saturday morning? It's possible. Let us get a little more data in and refine the forecast. Sunday's partly cloudy, cool 58. Monday, Tuesday, and all of next week is dry with some really nice temperatures. And then as we head through, what was that?
I like your excitement at 10:30 at night.
10:30 at night.
It
is.
Very demonstrative about that forecast coming up.
And I
So
think
everybody get excited.
After the rain Saturday, it is dry for the foreseeable future.
Okay.
So, but a couple of inches of rain will need to dry out after that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
I've never been accused of having energy, Cynthia.
Yes, you are a shrinking violet, aren't you,
Well,
Pete?
there's that.